tell me to start.
Start.
Hey guys, what is up? Today we will be unboxing this drill press. And this will be our first unboxing and review video on our channel.
That is right. This will be our very first unboxing and review of the Central Machinery Harbor Freight 8-inch drill press with work light.
Our new normal requires us to wipe down the box before we utilize it because of the COVID-19. So we're going to be using this tool knife.
Yeah. Harbor Freight razor knife, now that we have a disinfected box.
Can I use it?
Yes, you can cut that
Of course,
size.
it's Harbor Freight.
Yes, Harbor Freight. Not that we are not sponsored, but everybody gets things from Harbor Freight.
Sorry.
And before I bought this, I looked all over online for reviews and for how-to videos and things. So I really want to just give everybody an idea on my impression of this thing. And we'll see how it works. So let's get this opened up.
Hashtag non-sponsored.
We have instructions.
Oh boy. When there's instructions, you know you're going to have a fun time.
Of course, instructions are the best part.
An OK metal, looks like stamped metal table. You can zoom in if you need to. We have a new camera and a somewhat new camera person. We don't have a hair and makeup person now, as you can see.
That's my zoom noise impression.
Okay, we have, what's this?
Taco.
We have our chuck and our chuck key.
Hey Chuck.
San Ow brand. OU. Hopefully that's not a sign of things to come.
It is though. We got these things. They kind of look like screwdrivers.
Those are the handles. We have poles covered in COVID-free, hopefully, oil. Just a nice clean. Keep it from messing. Some Allen keys and different things. Styrofoam.
Can I try and break it?
Later.
Oh yeah, for like the end.
Is this all in frame, cameraman?
Yes, it's all in frame.
Okay.
Camera person. It's 2020.
Looks like stamped metal.
No, that's not stamped metal.
Okay.
Oh, y'all gotta put it together?
The real fun part,
The thick boy.
the body. Now, we're not going to bore you with the assembly because there are tons of videos. Well, not tons, maybe at least
Oh no.
at least 5 or 6 videos of how to assemble it. So we're going to put this all together, and then next time you see it, it's going to look like a drill press, and we're going to give you some of our impressions of how it works.
So the holes have stuff in them. So we're gonna run the bolt in there through just to make sure they're clean. Fine. Why not just give me the drill in the first place?
You didn't ask.
Seriously, this would have been way more. You know how much our fans hate filler content. Hey guys.
Okay, yeah, we're off to a start here. We got the base and the tube and the headstock. But before we go too far, we're just going to plug it in. Make sure the motor's not DOA.
What would we have done if it didn't work?
Wrap it up and take it back to our floor.
I kind of wanted to smash it.
Okay, I'm.
You know, for
Should
life.
probably stop messing with the camera.
How do you make the light bulb work? Ah!
Ow, my eyes!
It's like a 12-watt incandescent bulb. It's not the sun. Okay, so we assembled this. Putting the chuck on the spindle wasn't too difficult. I've heard and read that that's an issue sometimes. Sometimes what we did do was we put some wood under here to support the table so it wouldn't flex. It runs. So we're going to try to drill some wood and see how it works. Okay, to properly test out the Harbor Freight Central Machinery drill press, you need
Not sponsored.
Harbor Freight's finest drill bits. This is the Warrior set,
No.
29 piece. I think it's $10 on sale. We put a 21/64 drill bit in there. We're
Again,
going to
No
cover your eyes,
sponsor.
Paul. I don't want your retinas to burn. This table a little bit. We're going to test out how this drill drills.
ooh, can I do it?
Now, one of the things we want to make sure that we're not going to drill a hole in the table.
That would
Okay.
That
So
would not be
first
good.
thing you need, Paul,
Safety.
safety glasses.
Also not sponsored.
So what we're gonna do is, Paul, you turn on your drill bit, you turn on your drill. Now watch, hold on. Then it's a nice slow
I wanted to do
plunge
it.
in, okay? Yeah, you're gonna do it. So go ahead, give it a try. Use two hands, get a good, no. Okay, so look at what Paul's doing here. Pull back.
Oh, are my legs crossed?
So he's standing in a way that's not really safe. If you look at him, not so much the feet, but his arms are crossed one over the other. All the way through. Okay, bring it back up now. Drill the hole nicely. Now there are two schools of thought on drilling through wood. One is
We're
drill the
going
way
back to
Paul
school.
drilled. The other is that you do this.
Oh yeah.
If you listen to it, you can see or you can actually hear we need to do some adjustment to the belt and things. But overall, it seems to do a pretty good job. Next thing we're going to try is a speed bore bit and see how that goes. So it took a few minutes to find a speed bore, but this is a good hefty, and it's not brand new. It's a 1 inch. Better?
Yeah.
Oh, we stalled it. Almost through. Burning up a little bit, but probably because it's not on the right speed, but let's see how it goes. So,
And zoom out.
it made it look like it go flying. Okay, so, I mean,
Okay, so why are you talking?
proof
Why are you talking about
that it'll
cheese?
drill. But we did go to slowest speed on this, which is 760 RPM, and we're gonna use the step bit on. This might be 1/8 inch steel here, so we're gonna give that a try and see how that works. So right through the first size, and the second size. So that's doing a really nice job. Okay, without too much thinking and planning here, this is a bent lawnmower blade
Hold it
off
up to the camera. I can't.
off the riding mower. This has got to be, this looks like it's about 1/4 inch steel. We're gonna see what happens. The regular drill bit on here. Let's see what we got.
Quality sound effects brought to you by Paul.
I'll tell you what, that's doing a good job.
Action.
Okay. And we're through that. I don't see me drilling holes in steel much thicker than that on this drill press. I think, well, for $65 with the coupon, I think it's going to do what we need it to do. Okay, Paul, This did what? Did you stop it?
No.
This did what we needed it to do. Now you need to do what you need to do.
Subscribe.
No. Okay, so the impression of the Harbor Freight Central Machinery drill press, I think it's good. It'll do what we need it to do here in the shop. These have been some strange couple of weeks, but with this COVID-19, but we've been getting to spend a lot of time here in the shop and doing things together. That's really what it's about, spending time with your family, not spreading the virus. So if you like what we did though here, don't forget to subscribe, right? Like and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
You got anything to say, Paul, before we say goodbye to our fans?
Do you know the way?
Thanks for watching.
Aya! Aya!
Ooh.
Aya! Aya!
Okay.
Aya! Aya!
Yay!